In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fill a shape with color in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to change a shape's fill, match colors to your design, and even add simple gradients for a polished look. First, open your design in Canva. This can be an existing project or a new one you've just started. Once your canvas is open, click directly on the shape you want to color. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and editing handles around it. If nothing changes when you try to apply a color, double-check that the shape itself, not a surrounding frame or text box, is selected. Next, look to the top toolbar and click the color square. This opens the color menu. If your shape is composed of multiple colored parts, you may see several small color tiles. That simply means the shape has different sections, and each tile represents one of those colors. Click the specific tile you want to change so you are coloring the right part of the shape. Now, choose your color. You can pick from document colors, which are colors already used in your design. Default colors, which offer a quick set of basics, or your brand kit if you have one set up, which keeps your brand's palette at your fingertips for consistent visuals. If you are working within a team or maintaining a style guide, sticking to brand kit or document colors helps keep everything cohesive. If you need a specific shade, add a custom color by clicking the plus icon. Here you can paste a hex code if you have one, or use the color picker to fine-tune the hue, saturation, and brightness. The eyedropper tool, when available, is great for sampling a color from an image in your design, so your shape matches perfectly. As you adjust, watch the live preview on your shape to dial it in precisely. To introduce subtle dimension, apply a gradient. In the color menu, select the gradient option to blend two colors. You can switch between linear and radial styles. Then adjust the angle or focal point to control how the colors transition across the shape. Choose colors that complement each other for a smooth blend or increase contrast for a bolder look. Gradients work especially well for backgrounds, badges, and icons where a flat fill feels too plain. When you are happy with the result, you are done. Your shape is now filled with your chosen color or gradient. If you want to revert, use undo to step back. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.